guys, I'm here with Hidden Bangkok Tours. We're gonna go for a sunset boat ride. This is Om.
Sawadee krab. We're gonna take you guys like there to check out like Bangkok 1960s, 1970s. Yeah, basically it's kind of like a time machine boat, like bring you guys back into Bangkok 1960, 1970. Someone just dropped the bag in the canal. Right, welcome.
Oh my god!
Welcome to Bangkok.
Oh my god, someone just dropped their bag.
Alright, let's go.
Super excited. We're late, but let's go and see Old Bangkok. Sawadee krab! Sawadee krab! Bye! Bye! Have a good drink! Yeah! So apparently I've crashed the party and this is Gary's boat.
Yo.
That's Gary, y'all.
What's going down?
Okay.
You good?
Huh?
You good?
Me? Oh, I'm good. Are you good?
I'm good. How are you enjoying the tour?
Oh, so far it's been great.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, I crashed your party.
It's alright, you're Instagram royalty, so you can come.
No, I'm not. Wait, do you see how ratchet my nails are? I lost my fingers. There are about 15 of us here on the boat. Super excited. Are you having fun?
Oh my god, it's amazing.
So good already.
Okay.
It's like coming back. It's like taking you back 60 years in Bangkok. This place just hasn't changed. And
Yeah.
it blows my mind every time we're on this boat.
Billy has been driving this for more than 20 years.
Wow.
She looked only 25, right? Yeah, she started driving like when she was like 5 years old. Most of our drivers are female.
Wow.
Yeah. Because like the female
Women
drives
power. Look at this freaking house. Oh my gosh! The legs are gonna fall off. Sawadee krab. Oh. We actually came back around to give him some beer. Oh my god! Floating! Sawadee krab! Oh, she has so many things to sell! Oh, cool! I thought I was gonna leave Thailand again without seeing anyone in floating market, but this is my first time ever seeing one, and it's really cool. Ow, I just hit my head. Alright, we are stopping actually to use the Hong Nam, which means bathroom in Thai. It's been about an hour and this boat ride is just so peaceful and there's so many different type of neighborhoods out here. Love it. So we just finished the bathroom break and we're on our way to see Water Rune and the Big Buddha.
Everyone leans over.
Guys, this is crazy. We just got right underneath the biggest Buddha here in Bangkok. Oh my god. This is insane. Is this the biggest Buddha in Bangkok?
Yeah, this one is like the biggest one. It's like 89 meters
89 meters?
tall.
Tall? Oh my gosh.
Even the Buddha sitting. If the Buddha stand, will be taller.
Oh my god. So Buddha sitting down is 89 meters high. We just passed by the reclining Buddha and the big Buddha and I had no idea they were right next to each other. Now we are making our way over to Water Rune. I love seeing Water Rune at night. And just yesterday I was at one of the rooftop bars looking at Water Rune, but now I'm here. Like there's a wedding going on that boat. All right, that was the end of our tour. Thank you so much, Om. And
Thank you, Kapun Ka.
Kapun Ka. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Kapun Ka.
Kapun Ka.
The boat driver have to drive back home like maybe half an hour.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Thanks to her for giving us a good tour around here. But thank you guys so much. And I hope you guys liked this video. What did they say after? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Right, bye.